Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a little about charts and Excel things that maybe you didn't know, okay? Since we are teaching faster ways to do things in Excel, I want to show you the Excel web form that we can find in your Office 365 account in this part, okay? So I open my document in this part in the Excel web, okay? First, I want to show you that if we right click on this sheet, I don't know, in the total line, okay, sheet, it shows you miserable option, okay? We have insert, we have delete, rename, reorder, duplicate, tab color, and hide, okay? So, we are going to see how to highlight the sheets and how to hide the sheets, okay? Then I say with right click we will find that icons that I say, okay? We that click in tab color, and if we click it off, the tab color bar appears, and then we choose the one of your preference. For example, I like the green, okay? Green at 6, lighter 40, okay? I like this, okay? So if you see, I put the same form in stack bar sheets and same increase, okay? So I put the others in closer bar, okay? Tab color, for example, this called accent for light 8, okay? I like. Oh, yes, I like. So this is the form that we highlight the sheets in a document of Excel web, okay? So now we show you. Okay, now I'm going to show you 2 ways to hide the sheet, okay? The first is be right clicking and touching where it says hide, okay? First in the sales sheet, okay? And this is the okay? So we clicking in hide. Okay, if you see the worksheet sales, it's live, okay? So if you want unhide, is the first, okay? Please right click and unhide. Okay, this is the sheet that we hide. Click and then okay. Okay, waiting, and yes, this is the form that we hide and unhide the sheets. But we have other forms to hide and unhide, okay? The other forms is go to home, okay, in this part, and then go to sales, okay, this is the group sales, and click on the format, okay, swipe down, okay? So we have right hide and various other sales sites, okay? But we stay in visibility, hide and unhide. So we have various options, hide rows, hide columns. Yes, we hide rows and hide columns, but this is the form that we hide sheet, okay? So we click in hide sheet, okay? And if you see, we hide the sales sheet, okay? And the form that will hide, it's right click and unhide, and we have the sheet that hide, okay? Okay.